I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 21st to May the 31st reading. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, Pabaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live tayo doon. Kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. So Libra, ang daming pagbabago. Ang dami ding pwedeng magbago. It may be a life-changing event. Meron din namang, sabihin natin, gagawa tayo ng isang decision that will, sabihin natin, maililihis natin yung pinagdadaanan natin ngayong hindi maganda, no? Because of that one decision, pwedeng mabago yung course ng life natin. With the Five of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Siguro ngayon mo nafe-feel na medyo lumuluwag ang daloy ng buhay nung meron kang iniwang, let's say, energy. It could be an energy of a tao, no? Baka kasi nung kailan kayo nagkaroon ng separations, doon medyo na-feel mo yung luwag ng pera. Hindi ko sinasabing malas yung person, no? I feel like somehow, baka kasi din, hindi tayo nakaka-focus masyado sa buhay because of the person. Baka doon din naka-focus masyado ang ating pang-araw-araw, no? Na pamumuhay, kaya nung nawala siya, parang you have nothing to put your attention to but to yourself. I feel like you have some passions right now, and I think that this is more of harvesting, no? Itong iyong abundance, or ito yung time na sinasabi mo siguro sa sarili mo because wala na rin akong, I'm already separated with my person, whether this is physical or energetic. Physical kasi literal, no? Si person baka nasa ibang lugar, no? Physical kayong magkahiwalay. Energetic, pwede namang nakikita kayo pero hindi kayo nag-uusap, no? Usually nangyayari yan sa mga mag-asawa, magkatrabaho, magkaklase, no? Yun yung mga scenario. Pwede nakikita kayo pero hindi kayo nag-uusap. I think that you're focusing much to yourself. Nandun tayo sa sinasabi nating ang passion ko ngayon is sumahod. Is this a defense mechanism or is this really who we really become, no? Because of those transformations. Parang sabi mo, oy, heart, wag muna, ha? Hindi si Miss Heart. Heart, wag muna, ha? With the Ace of Swords and the Chariot, ayusin ko muna yung sarili ko, no? I feel like at one point in time, naawa tayo sa sarili natin. At one point in time, sinabi mo sa sarili mo na kailangan maialis ko yung sarili ko sa kinakaawaan. Siguro dumating na rin talaga sa part na dati ang naaawa sa iyo iilan lang. Tas bulag-bulagan pa tayo before. Ngayon, parang sinabi mo sa sarili mo, nakita ko na, no? Bukas na ang isip ko. Ngayon ko na feel na, ay, ngayon ako naawa sa sarili ko. And hindi na to uli mangyayari. Somehow you feel binago ka ng relationship. May ines, may galit. Pero if you're going to look at it in a different way, the learnings that you got, siguro kasi ano to no? Different na yung ibang tao ka na. This might be a hard way to learn a lesson, but definitely, you changed to become better, no? Maybe, hindi naman yung magkaiba to no? Yung sinabi natin, I am not heartless, but I learned to use my heart less. Oh, di ba magkaiba yun? I am not heartless, but I learned how to use my heart less. No? So parang hindi na ako masyado nagpapaiuto. With the 6 of Wands, 7 of Swords, the Empress. Uy, there's a lot of transformations na nangyayari talaga sa'yo. I think sinimulan mo to sa katawan, no? Nagpagupit ng buhok, nagpakulay ng buhok, nagpa-parlor, whether it is extensions, no? Pwede rin nagpa-lashes, mani-pedi, pwede rin itong nag-gym, or baka ngayon nagpapataba ka kung dating payat ka. You wanna look more presentable, more healthier. You also, para kasing, you learn the art of loving yourself. Especially for a few numbers of you, I think that you were placed in a third-party situation. So, whether you know it, whether you kumbaga, sinadya mo, but I feel like, no, kailangan kong alisin yung sarili ko dito kasi baka dito nga na dito pumasok yung naaawa ko sa sarili ko kasi parang feeling ko nanlilimos lang ako, no, ng time, energy, effort. The Star, the 4 of Cups, and the 3 of Wands. Siguro kung babalik, no, itong person natin, kung lang naman, you may probably accept your person, pero nagbago na dapat. Pero kasi with the Star in here, yung iba sa inyo na merong ganitong pananaw na kung nagbago na, I feel like mababago pa to no? Kasi so far, nasa process pa rin ng healing, pero chances are yung iba dito na fully healed na, kahit umiyak ka ng dugo, magpadulas ka sa labahan, no? Mahati ang katawan mo, no, sa ilang piraso, no? Parang wala na akong mararamdaman at wala na akong pakiramdam. I feel like kailangan ko nang humanap ng iba, no? With the King of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Death card, and speaking of, chances are, lilitaw itong person mo kung kailan nagsisimula ka na uling mag-move forward. I feel like ikaw ngayon kung feeling mo dati, no, nawalan ka ng itinapon ka, nawalan ka ng halaga, ngayon parang dalawang tao naman ang mag-aagawan sa'yo. Ito yung ex mo, tawagin na nating ex, and supposedly itong current or magiging current relationship mo, no? So, kung nandun ka sa sitwasyon na yun, ano kaya or sino kaya ang pipiliin mo? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. Kung hindi niyo po naabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, well, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Scorpio, Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, Pisces, Aquarius, Cancer, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.